Hi and welcome back to Quick Recipes Simple Life. Today we are going to prepare some easy and quick vegetable just a stir fry. It's a green bean vegetable, very easy to do and quick. So we're going to add some oil to a pan, add some sliced onions, just saute them till they are lightly brown, and then we are going to add the green beans to it. Just cover it for 4 to 5 minutes and leave it to cook on a medium heat. Then we're going to add some salt to it, give it a mix. And then cover and let it cook for more till you feel the vegetable is nice and soft. Till like you get your desired soft vegetables the way you like it. Then at the end, when the vegetables are soft, we're going to add some garlic, give it a mix, fry for 2 minutes, and then enjoy it hot